Please forgive me for what I have done. Nga kami pa Christmas guys kasi wala silang matatanggap ng mga ganung Christmas bono. Hi guys, good morning. Sunday. Magdi-date kami ni Mr. He will take me to a nice place. You look handsome, is there? Nakapag-running na yan.
Huh?
I told them you already run.
Oh yeah.
Right? You already did exercise.
Yeah.
Ah, good job. See?
Run to the park
Yeah,
and
my
back.
Top Gun. So guys, first time namin tong gawin ni Mr. May iwan yung dalawang kids sa bahay kasi ayaw nilang sumama. I think this will be our future today. The kids will stay and we're going to the church, right?
Yeah.
So punta tayo ng church guys. Ewan ko ba, ba't to nagyaya na pupunta ng church? Sabi niya, let's go to the church, honey. I think he's going to repent his sin. I don't know what he's doing.
I'll pray for, you know,
pray for your sins like God.
and
Please forgive me for what I have done.
what I'm about to do.
Yeah.
See, I don't think that car could drive actually.
Nah.
See how that thing is on the ground?
Yep.
I don't know how it got there because I don't know how it could.
So yeah, see ya mamaya guys. Hindi na ako maglalagay ng ano. So the early mass to 9:30 dito. Malapit lang naman guys, walking
Well, there
distance
was
lang.
one earlier.
Yeah. Ah,
I went
okay,
for a
yeah,
run.
6 o'clock.
No, well, not that early. I mean, I went out at 8 and
Oh.
the people were already there. So I don't know if it starts at 7:30.
Yeah. So is that Liam's classmates there?
Yeah,
Right?
so look, see, they just have just a few lights.
Oh,
see,
yeah.
just not much. I don't know if they
Right.
have a tree. I didn't really look.
I don't think. Maybe they have a tree.
Maybe they just don't like to bother with
Yeah. Yeah. Not like us.
decorating.
Not like us that we're crazy on Christmas.
Yeah.
We're crazy. We're crazy about Christmas, guys. Bro, are you ready to go out? Are you ready? Are you ready to go out?
I'm ready.
Yeah, let's go for breakfast.
And what?
Let's go for breakfast.
Oh, okay.
Go grab your...
Yeah, I will run it.
Okay.
Mommy, come on.
It's okay. The kids are waiting outside in the car.
Yes.
It's okay. Tapos na yung service, guys.
What's up?
Say hi, my
Hi,
driver.
guys. What's she doing?
She's going to get something, but she said she's already ready.
Okay. What about the alarm and locking the door?
I will lock the door.
Pick up the pencil. Someone, pick up the pencil.
Here.
Pencil.
My pencil.
Come on, guys.
Mom, you're supposed to.
Lock the door.
Do this first.
No, here. Not there. Here. Okay, good job. Come on, let's go. I'll open the door for the queen. Ang silaw. There's the door for you, my queen.
Crust crusty queen.
The crusty queen. Okay,
Crusty
dito tayo.
raisin. Bako. Old people's are raisins.
Seatbelt, Mom.
The raisins because of the
Okay,
wrinkles.
ito na yung dalawang musketeers dito sa likod. The first musketeers.
And then I made
Show to
another
them
one.
how you draw, Dabi.
I made another one.
That's so pretty, Baba. Like
It's a chihuahua.
the
this
second
time.
musketeers.
Yeah.
Who scored?
Wario.
Okay, kaya hindi sila sumali,
Is it
ay
still-
sumama sa amin nagsimba
Still
kasi
1-0?
Yeah, I think.
nood sila ng soccer, guys. Okay, let's go to get some breakfast.
I didn't. You forgot to do my hair.
That's okay. You are a wild girl. Anyway, hey, cut your hair, Baba.
I'm not cutting my hair.
Why?
It's never been this long since 2 years or 1. I don't know.
You could be a cave girl.
Cave girl.
Go wild. What is this? Oh, jam.
That's... Hi guys! Nakabalik na kami ng bahay. Nandito si Grandma. Ayaw niya pang umuwi sa bahay niya, guys. Ito, gawa ako ng coffee for her. Be nice, guys! Iwan ko siya ng kape. Ba, can I get the half and half? Ba, can I? Ba?
What?
Can I have half and half placed in the fridge? I want to make coffee for Grandma.
Okay. Go. Half and half cream.
Thank you.
Okay.
So, yun guys, nakipaglaro yun sa mga bata. Para na talaga siyang bumalik pagkabata, guys. Naalala ako, baka matumba siya ba? Kasi mas rough yung mas malakas yung mga bata kaysa kanya. Magbubukas tayo ng advent calendars. Well, nag-ano pa yung coffee niya. So, dito tayo, guys. Dito tayo sa ating Christmas tree. Ano na ba tayo ngayon? 13. Sunday. 14 na tayo ngayon, guys. Hanap tayo ng 14. Inisip ko kasi yung 13. Nabuksan na natin to. 14 na yung December 14 tayo ngayon. Ano? Mali. Nawamali. December 15 pala tayo, guys. Hanapin natin yung 15. Inisip ko kasi Friday the 13, kahapon 14. Ngayon pala is 15. December 15, guys. Bukas tayo. Pagkalaki na. Akala ko malaki yung laman. Maliit lang pala. So, it's a cream. Maliit na cream.
It goes on and on and on and on. Mommy, we're sure she got tied 0-0.
Okay. No goals for both teams. Both team Liam no score. Nagawan ko siya ng kape. Coffee for
Grandma?
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, thank you. That's what she
I-on natin tong ano. Yeah?
So, guys. Mommy! Your so, come here.
Hold on.
Come here. Look at Grandma's leg here.
Oh, yeah.
Yesterday, that was on her. So Daddy asked her what happened, but she doesn't know what happened.
Oh.
Yeah, she's an old lady. And it's her own injury. So our Aunt Claudia knows probably.
What did you say, Liam? She's what?
I forgot. What am I dumb?
You're like grandma. You forgot everything.
Do you have a kiss on that right there?
Oh, no. Mom, Brentwood's winning, yeah.
Oh.
Mommy. 0-0.
He reads the situation brilliantly. He doesn't.
Mommy is good.
Yeah.
Is gonna celebrate Christmas with us. I don't know.
Not sure. She's going to the resort.
She can't because we can bring her here, right?
Now?
Yeah.
Sometimes she can.
Careful, guys. Hi, guys. Hinatid ko na si Grandma. And si husband nag-gym. Alam niyo naman 'yon. Hindi walang walang palya 'yun sa gym. Pag may time talaga, nag-gym talaga 'yun, guys. Kanina pala paghatid ko kay Grandma, ay nako, nag-hysterical na naman yung matanda, guys. Umiiyak na naman. Talagang nagpapanik siya pag naiiwanan siya mag-isa, tapos inano ko na lang sa kanya, inuto-uto ko na naman siya. Sabi ko, kailangan ko umuwi kasi yung mga apo mo, kailangan din ako babantayan ko sila, gagawa ng homework, tapos papaliguan ko sila kasi may pasok sila bukas. So yun, kumalma naman na yung matanda, guys. Kaya sabi nga nung kapatid niya, kailangan ko ng tulong nyo pag ilipat to siya. Kasi baka mag-hysterical siya ba doon sa resort. Kaya full force kaming full force kami by next week na ihatid siya sa resort niya. So baka by Christmas bisitahin na lang namin siya sa resort niya, guys. Maganda yung resort niya, mahal yung resort niya monthly, guys. I think 10K US dollars yung monthly niya. Pero pag ma-cover naman na yun ng insurance, medyo males yung babayaran kasi nung buhay pa nga yung tatay ni husband, bumili na siya ng insurance na just in case pagtanda nila, titira sila sa senior care, covered ng insurance. So yun. Kaya ayun, naawa naman ako sa kanya. Sabi niya, bukas kunin mo ako dito ha, punta ko sa bahay niyo. Wala naman siyang ginagawa dito, guys, kundi manood ng TV, tapos inom ng kape. Nakailang kape yun, guys, dito. Nakatatong baso ata siya ng kape. Ayun, kawawa naman. Yung mga kids naglaro sa labas. Hindi ko alam ano yung magiging dinner namin mamaya. Kasi busog pa ako, guys, ay. Parang gusto ko lang magprutas mamaya. Pag hindi ka sanay mag-breakfast, pag kumain ka ng breakfast, parang feeling mo busog ka na talaga for the whole day. Ito, busog na busog pa ako, guys. Buti na, nagligpit ng mga damit. Alam niyo bang pag winter, ang dami kong labahan, guys. Ay, parang everyday akong naglalaba. Yan, nagligpit ako. Yan pa, nakakapanood ko pa lang ng video ni Pinay Life in OC. Shout out sa iyo, sis, at saka ni Marge Life. Simply Marge pala. Nasa Slovenia ba yun siya nakatira? Yung mga asawa nila may natatanggap na mga Christmas bonus. Sila, yung si Simply Marge naman, 2 box ng chocolates. Si Pinay Life in OC, may mga bonus. May bonus yung asawa niya, may Christmas party. Alam niyo ba yung asawa ko, wala yung silang mga ganun, guys. Ay, wala silang mga ganun na Christmas party or bonuses pag Christmas. Walay sila. Nga kami pag Christmas, guys, kasi wala silang matatanggap ng mga ganun Christmas bonuses, mga ganun, wala. Pero pagkakaalam ko, unless lang, hindi sinabi ng asawa ko. Hindi, joke lang. Sinasabi naman niya yan pag may mga extrang perang pumapasok. Pero pag yung bonus nila, guys, dumadating yun, month of January na. May mga bonus sila and then may mga yata sila yung Ay, na profit sharing. Meron silang ganun sa ano, may profit sharing sila sa company. And yeah, profit sharing at saka bonus ata. Pero pag December talaga, wala akong na ano. Na may natatanggap sila, wala silang ganun. Sana nung meron din, no? Anyway, may matatanggap din naman sila pag January. Ay, nakakapagod guys. Ay, parang gusto ko nang give up. Parang nakakapagod pala yung everyday na mag-vlog, mag-upload ng videos. Oh my God. Kagabi parang inano ko lang yung, okay, kailangan mo mag-upload. Panindigan mo to na kailangan mo mag-upload. Parang vlogmas guys ba? Pero sa mga vlog ko, hindi ako naglagay ng vlogmas. Pero ang ginawa ko, parang vlogmas nga. Kasi everyday upload. Nakakapagod siya. Sa totoo lang. Pero paninindigan ko yan guys. Hanggang hanggang 24. And sana matuloy-tuloy ko siya, no? Kahit walang nanonood. Mag-ano pa rin ako. Mag-upload pa rin ng videos. But, anyway, thank you so much sa mga nag-watch ng videos ko. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. So, ito pala yung hikaw ko, guys. Ayan, bigay yan ni mother-in-law. Yan. Yung binigay niya sa akin, I think 2 years ago. Kasi lang ito, ang bilis matanggal. Kaya hindi ko siya palaging sinusuot. Kasi ang bilis niyang yung lock niya, guys, nag-ano ba? Pumipitik. Ayan, oh. Yan. Kaya hindi ko siya masyadong sinusuot. Itong isa, super nakalock itong isa, ang bilis tanggalin. Kaya natakot ako baka mawala ko siya ba. Oh, ito. Oh, ayan, matagal siyang tanggalin. Itong isa napakabilis. Bigay niya to sa akin. Ano to siya, guys? 14K na diamond. Ayan. Hold on. Yeah, I think that was 2 years ago. Binigay niya sa akin.
Mom!
Yep.
Come, could you open the thing?
What thing?
The food thing because the ball's stuck.
Oh, okay. Okay guys, i-close ko na yung vlog namin guys kasi mahaba na naman to guys. I-close ko na kasi wala naman ang magganap mamaya. What did you say? Thank you.
I didn't even get to be at the beginning.
Yeah, I'm going to close the vlog now. What did you say to them?
Bye guys, thank you for watching our vlog. See you next video.
Bye.